Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have asked about: how to find your WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive for Android devices. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp application. Tap on the three-dot menu. Select Settings, then Chats, and scroll down to Chat Backup. Make sure you're connected to your Google account, and as you can see, your backup should be set to occur daily. Now, let's proceed to create a backup. Step 2. Now, it's as simple as hitting the backup button. Just give it a tap. Demonstrate tapping the backup button. In a matter of moments, all your messages will be safely backed up to your Google Drive. Step 3. You've got your backup done. Now, let's find out where these backups are hiding on your Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app, tap on the app to open it. Ensure you're logged in with the same Google account linked to your Google Drive. Step 4. With your Google Drive open, let's proceed to access those valuable backups. Click on the three lines. Navigate to the Backups section within the Google Drive app. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see all your WhatsApp backup data right here. Step 5. This backup contains your precious pictures, important text messages, videos, and much more. But wait, what if you want to manage your backups? We've got you covered. Show the options when tapping on the three-dot menu within the Backups section. You can choose to delete or turn off backups right from here. It's all about giving you control. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to find WhatsApp backup on Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.